Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video, we are going to learn about hypertext markup language. So our series of HTML tutorial videos are going on. So in this video, we are going to learn about the anchor tag. So what is the anchor tag? The anchor tag creates a hyperlink in the web page, which is really important for any web page. So let's see how we can use hyperlink reference, that is the anchor tag, ahref. So let's go. So Windows key plus R, let's type notepad and let's start doing. So HTML head title, let's give the title as hyperlink web pages, title close, head close, body open. Let's give the bg color equals double quotes, let's say blue. Let's give top margin equals 100, bottom margin equals 100 as well, bracket close. Okay, so let's give h1, let's make it center, let's give hyperlink web pages, center close, h1 close, and now let's give hr color equals, let's give yellow, hr bracket close, let's give p, say this web page shows us a simple hyperlink, p close. Let's give the font color of p as font color equals white, and we'll continue the font color. So enter next line. So here we will insert ahref. So A is for anchor, href is for hyperlink reference. So we will give the reference file double quotes. So for this you have to pick up a file. So I have picked up this particular file, forms. This is a web page as well. So right click, properties, and let's pick up the name, Control C, the type is .html, the extension is .html, forms bracket 2, so Control V, .html, quotation close, bracket close, and this is the link, forms2.html. This won't appear in your web page. The text you give inside the braces is important. So, and also remember that anchor tag is a container tag, that is, it opens and it also closes. So let's say that link, not link, let's say click this link to view a close, and let's say font close, and let's say body close, let's say HTML close, and let's see Control S, name this hyperlink .html, enter. Let's close this window and let's view our file. So that will be shown in just a few seconds, and here we go. So the link has come as blue. If I zoom in, you can see the link, it's still blue. So I will click and this particular web page is coming. So this has been linked successfully. So this is how you can link web pages, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.